Hello, hope you're well. Today, and as you can see right here, we're going to be making this Chana Dal. It's Indian, it's spicy, it's delicious, it's super easy, and of course it's vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in the center there, I've got 3 cups of cooked Chana Dal. 2 cups onion, I've cut it really small. 1 cup of tomato. Some fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, they're fabulous. They really are good in this. If not, try and get dried. Nothing else can replace them really. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. A teaspoon each of what I always call the big 4. So we've got cumin, coriander, chili and turmeric. A tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And today I'm using these fresh green chilies. They're actually, it's one of those ones, long chili like that. They're not particularly hot. They're very tasty, but not that hot at all. Let's get moving. Okay, so Chana Dal. Chana Dal looks exactly the same, pretty much identical to yellow split peas. But the difference is that yellow split peas, when you cook them, they're mushed down into kind of like a soupy sort of texture. These will not. So in there, I'm using coconut oil today. You can use a different oil if you want. I've got 3 tablespoons. We're going to start off by dropping in the fresh curry leaves and the cumin seeds. I've just put that on above medium heat. We're going to go for like 60 seconds or so just to infuse the oil. Beautiful. 2 cups onion. Cut mine nice and small. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the 2. We're going to add some salt. And on this above medium heat, we're going to go for around 4 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Next up, that 1 cup of tomato and my chili. Like I said, this looks like a lot, but these are not massively hot. What we're going to do now is cook this. We want to really cook down those tomatoes. Probably going to take about 5 minutes or so. Stir often. Beautiful stuff. The tomatoes are really nice and soft now. We're going to add in our spices. One more look, shall we? 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. If you wanted, you could just use a curry powder that you may have. Quick little mix. Then we're going to go for the Chana Dal. And what I've done with this, I just washed it through and then I boiled it for about 10 minutes. It cooks fairly quickly. 3 minutes of stirring and stirring. Just want to get all of those ingredients together. Then we're going to add some water. Here we go with some water. Now that looks like a lot. It actually is. It's 500 ml, half a litre. What we're going to do is we're going to cook this now. Again, stay on this fairly lively heat. We're going to cook this for about 6 or 7 minutes. It will evaporate out and we've pretty much done it. Okay, so I'm happy about there. You can go a bit further if you want and dry it out a little bit more. But you can see that because it's Chana Dal, it's kind of kept its shape, its body. If this was yellow split peas, it would have just been pretty much watery now, which is fine if you only want to use that. Off goes the heat. A little bit of cilantro or coriander in the mix. And a little pinch of garam masala powder. Garam masala powder is that stuff there. It's a blend, like a nice finishing spice. Little mix, job done. And there we have it, a really simple, beautiful Chana Dal. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.